Want to start using the Ring camera app to control your home security system, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Ring app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the Ring app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Ring at the top. Tap Ring when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using the Ring app. That's all it takes to download the Ring camera app. If you have Blink cameras, check out this tutorial next to learn how to get the Blink app. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.